Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can move pictures, photos and images freely in your documents on Google Docs. So let us get started. Now, as you can see, I added this example photo to my document here, my example document here on Google Docs. So if you'd like to move it freely by left clicking and holding your left mouse on it, you will see that it is actually possible. So let me try that really quickly. So I left click on it, hold the left mouse and try to move that image, for example, here further below, but it doesn't work, as you can see. So to change that, guys, what you will need to do is left click on the given image to gain access to these customization tools below and select wrap text here from that menu. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to move your image freely around here in your document. You may also go a bit more in depth and, for example, click on that arrow down icon here, position options, and select the option fixed position on page. Now with that option enabled, you'll be given the opportunity to move your image around freely here in the document and position it wherever you like, for example here, and the text will automatically wrap around it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.